In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a reminder in ClickUp step by step. This is perfect if you want to make sure you never forget an important task, follow-up, or deadline inside your workspace. ClickUp reminders are simple, fast, and incredibly useful for staying organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account using your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main ClickUp dashboard. From here, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the screen. Click inside the search bar and type the word Reminder. As you type, ClickUp will automatically show you related options. In the search results, look for the option that says Create New Reminder and click on it. This will open the reminder creation window. Now, review the reminder details and make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click on Create Reminder. That's it. Your reminder is now active in ClickUp and will notify you at the scheduled time, so you don't miss anything important. Creating reminders like this is a great way to stay on track and manage your work more efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy ClickUp guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.